How long do we wash our hands for?
20 minutes.
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Yes. Get them good.
Do
What you guys are about to do?
Make some waffles. Make some waffles on the waffle maker. Yeah, wait for my stinky breath breathing at me.
Cheese. All right, come on, boys. Caleb, I need you to grab a spoon for mixing.
You got it.
Jeremiah, can you open it?
That one.
No, not that one. That's too big. Get a silver one. Good job.
Yeah, me and Mommy are opening it. This one. The waffle maker.
That is too small. A silver one.
Oh, this one? Yeah, look. This one?
Sure.
The waffle maker.
It says, Caleb, what does this say?
Hello, foodie.
Hello, foodie.
Hello, foodie.
All right.
Hello, foodie.
Oh, guys.
We have to charge it?
No, we have to plug it up.
Oh.
How cute is it?
Oh. It can cover dry. We can make pancakes.
But we're making waffles. All right, you got to do the directions.
Ow!
It's not even on.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. Let's see how long we're supposed to put our mini waffles.
Yeah, mini waffle.
Okay. It says recipe
Hello.
inside. We already got our recipe.
No, Caleb, it says hello, dude. Yeah, you can make your own.
Yeah?
It says, it says hello, dude.
Little lady. Little lady.
Cool.
No, ma'am.
We never had this before.
It don't say for how many minutes, but we'll just watch it. All right. So,
I know what that is.
get the sweet potato. Waffle pancake mix. It should be. We're gonna use some coconut oil.
Found it.
Ooh, bless you.
Sweet potato.
Bless you. Go rinse your hands.
Sweet potato.
Go rinse your hands off. Just rinse them.
Sweet potato.
Cause you can't touch nothing. You need
Sweet
to wash them
potato
off.
pancakes.
You can't touch nothing after you.
Sweet potato pancakes.
All
Are we
right.
making pancakes?
Are we making pancakes? Yes, we are. Are we making pancakes?
Yes, we are. Shake
Are
the
we
booty,
making-
shake the booty, shake the booty. Don't worry about that. It's just a dance.
Some don't worry about that. Okay. All right. So for 6 to 7 pancakes, it says we need 1 cup of this and 2/3 of cold water. Are we using water or are we using some almond milk? Which one?
I don't know. Maybe you can do this at home. You can do it. Make your own waffles. If you have a waffle maker,
We need.
you can do it. Does that sound like water? Well, our
Y'all wanna do
family
water
does it. So
or almond milk?
let's get cooking. I want to do water. Wait, I didn't say let's get cooking.
You just said let's get.
Let's get cooking.
All right.
Let's get cooking.
We don't usually follow directions, so we're going to do
Pancakes.
something. I already know that.
I want to mix it.
All right, Jeremiah,
You pour
I'm
it.
gonna let you pour this, and then
No,
I'm
I
gonna grab
want to mix it
it.
in.
Y'all both can mix.
Well, I'm
Okay.
well, I can mix 2 times. No, I can mix 3 times, and Jeremiah can mix 3 times. Can you count? Count it.
This is probably enough for a full size, but we're making it.
I need to make pancake mix. We should make. Mama, do we have to put water in here?
All right, James, pour this in there.
I'll get a cup. Alright.
No, we're gonna use the same thing. Touch it.
It didn't mix.
Good job. Hold on.
It says mix.
Bum 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 bum
Bum bum bum bum.
bum
Bum bum bum bum bum.
bum
Booty booty bum bum.
bum bum bum
Bum bum bum bum.
bum bum bum
Bum bum bum bum. We
Wait, we can even
Bum, 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 bum.
Wait, we can even put strawberries.
Ooh, y'all wanna cut strawberries in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see?
Strawberries?
It says you can even put strawberries.
Look at these
Well, let's
strawberries.
grab them strawberries. How about some raspberry ones too?
Yeah,
So we're
raspberries.
gonna make strawberry, raspberry.
And grapes.
Yay.
We're not putting no grapes in
No,
here.
that's disgusting.
That is very much nasty. It's very much nasty.
Very much.
I'm not. I gotta rinse them, so I'm gonna take a couple out.
Then you're gonna put them on a plate.
Yeah, put them on this plate that I already have.
So we're not putting the fruits in here?
Yeah, after I rinse them, and I gotta cut them up. Do not.
Do not put them in.
I'm gonna go get some water.
Ooh, look how pretty.
Mama, can I go get some water?
All right, I'm gonna do.
Pretty.
Mama, can I go get some water?
Jay, I got the little cup right here for the water.
Can I go? No.
No, that's not the cup we're gonna use. We're gonna use the correct measurement. Okay.
Can we make the waffles now?
Well, we gotta get the batter ready. You gonna rinse this one?
Ooh. I love you guys. See you tomorrow. We're gonna eat.
Jay, all they seeing is the top of your head. You
Oh
gotta-
yeah.
There you go. Stay back so they can see you.
I can mix it. Mix.
Yeah, mix it until I put the.
I just mixed it.
No, you didn't. Alright.
Caleb, I want that.
Alright, there's our fruit. Oh, nice and mixed. Look, nice and mixed. Nice and washed. Now we're gonna cut them up.
Dude,
All right,
you can try
so-
this at home.
I'm going to pour the mix into our measuring cup so we can use that as a pour.
Do you need a bowl for
You can do this at home ever you want. My mom can do it, but my dad's not here, so he'll just have to use some strawberry juice. So don't even.
How you talking to them behind the camera? You need to be in front of it if you want to speak to them.
All right, guys. This is when we get ready for the pancake waffle. This is the bestest pancake waffle thing.
Hey.
So you have to get everything ready,
Uh-oh. Okay.
and when I say 3, 2, 1, we are going to pour it, and then my mom's going to plug it in.
No, we're going to plug it in first.
We're gonna plug it in first, and now we're pouring it in.
Don't touch that. Sir, I know we're not touching the knife. I know you're not touching. Oh, you're touching the plug. Okay, all right, all right.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel.
All right, I'm gonna count down, and my mom's gonna plug it in, and my mom's gonna pour it, and then waffle time. And now on the count of 3,
No, 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year.
All right, so it's plugged in. Now we got to wait. Back up. We have to wait for the light. I think we have to wait for the light to turn a certain color. All right.
Wait, you have to look on the back.
Hold on. So plugging in the cord. Hold on. All right, so we don't have, all I have is grilling spray. So we going to put some coconut oil in here to base it, guys.
And we're gonna pour it.
So we're going to pour it. Mommy's going to pour it. Ooh, ooh. As long as I get some on most of the pieces. There you go.
That looks like
Okay.
the shape of the ball.
All right, now give me your hand. You're gonna do the next one. Okay? You do a little bit, Caleb. Okay. And I'm gonna close it. And we gonna wait. We gonna wait. Hey, we gonna wait. Hey,
And we're gonna wait. Look, it turned blue.
Hey, we gonna wait.
Hey, we gonna wait. Hey, we gonna wait. Hey.
Let's see what it says. Okay, it says they don't have a timer, guys.
No?
So we're the timer. We're just gonna have to, because we don't want to burn it.
Wait. No, I can
It says
TikTok.
close cover. Once waffle is cooked, to your preference, carefully remove it. And a leaf.
Hey, we need a glove.
No, we don't need to blow it. We don't need to blow it.
No, it's cooking.
I know.
Click, clock, click, clock,
We're gonna use this to take it
clock,
off. Let me see. Back up.
click, clock.
Oh, it's almost ready.
Mama!
What? I gotta make sure it's cooked all the way.
Make sure you don't spill it. It's making! It's making!
I know I don't want it to burn it.
Ooh.
It's almost done. Come here, Dexter. This first one is one of yours. You wanna let Jeremiah pour his next one.
And that
All right,
one.
watch out. Okay, all right.
This is very heavy,
Watch out,
bro.
let me see.
My waffle!
You gotta back up. You gotta let them be able to see it.
Ta-da! My own waffle.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at the
All
syrup.
right, watch out. No, you don't need syrup yet. We gotta finish them first. Come here, Jeremiah.
Can I do mine?
Let me put the coconut oil on.
Ooh, I love coconut oil. Maybe I saved my juice box. Great. Hey, you saved it. Mom, I saved my juice box for later. Yeah, he saved it when you came
All right, come here, JJ.
Wait,
It's time, JJ. It's time to pour your thing now. Come on.
Oh, yeah, yes.
All right, give me your hand. And you are fast. You like to be quick, so let me guide you, okay? All right, ready? Pour a little bit. Well, yours gonna have some big strawberries in it. Slow. All right.
Oh. All right,
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Give me a napkin, please. Oh, Jeremiah! Yours is leaking.
Oh.
It's okay. Pour too much. Yeah. It's okay. It's just like if we was making pancakes and we go, no sir. You don't touch. This is hot. Mommy has it. Give me one more. Give me the black rag out of the sink.
Black rag.
The one I wash the dishes with. Thanks. Wait. Thank you. That one puffed up real big.
And video plate for me.
No, we putting them all on one plate for right now. We're putting them all on one plate and then we'll pass them out. It smells delicious. Y'all, it's slipping and sliding. Wow! The steam.
It burn you?
It caught me off guard.
And this is the results.
Ooh. All right.
Make sure you like and subscribe. You can make your own waffles, but make sure you buy a waffle maker. And you can make whatever waffle you want, blueberry and grape. Bye. And you can make mini.
And you can make strawberries too.
And put strawberries in your waffles.
Uh-huh.